Understanding drive-by, unpacking a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into the phrase, drive-by. This phrase can be a bit tricky because it has multiple meanings depending on the context. Let's unravel its various uses and understand how to apply them in everyday conversation. First, let's look at the literal interpretation of drive-by. This phrase typically refers to the action of driving past a particular location. Imagine you're in a car and you pass by a friend's house or a famous landmark. In this context, you could say, "We drove by the Eiffel Tower on our tour of Paris," or "I'll drive by your house at 8 a.m. Now, let's explore a more figurative use of drive-by. This phrase can also describe an action that is done quickly and without much thought or attention. For instance, he made a drive-by comment during the meeting, which implies that the comment was brief and possibly not very well considered. In some contexts, drive-by can have a negative connotation. It's often used to describe a type of crime, specifically a shooting that occurs from a moving vehicle. For example, the police are investigating a drive-by shooting in the neighborhood. It's important to be aware of this usage, especially in news reports or crime-related discussions. Let's put our knowledge into practice. How do you use drive-by in different sentences? Here are some examples. Literal: we'll drive by the coast on our way to the city. Figurative: her drive-by appearance at the party left everyone surprised. Negative: the area has been troubled by drive-by incidents recently. Notice how the phrase adapts to various contexts, altering its meaning slightly each time. I hope this exploration of drive-by has been enlightening and useful for your English language journey. Remember, context is key when deciphering the meaning of phrases like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using drive-by in different sentences to get comfortable with its various meanings. See you in the next video.